Good day. Today we'll be looking at a mathematical challenge. Mathematical challenge. And what is the challenge? The challenge says if x plus y equals 50 and we have y plus y which is equal to 120, then x plus z equals 35, then z equals, what's the value of z? Z equals what? So how do we go about this? How do we solve this? This can be written as 3y equals 120. Therefore, our y equals, divide both sides by 3. So our y will equal to 40. So we have a value of our y to be 40. Here also, since we have the value of y to be 40, we have x plus 40 equals 50. So when we collect the like terms, the value of our x equals to 50 minus 40, which is equals to 10. Since we know the value of x, we know the value of y. Here, the value of x is 10. 10 plus z equals 35. So when we collect the like terms, we have 35 minus 10, which is 20, which equals 25. So we know that the value of our z to be 25. I want you to check your answer if you get the same as mine. Check your value. If you get the same value as mine, when x plus y equals 50, y plus y equals 120, x plus z equals 35. So the value of z will be 25. The value of z will be 25. So when we have 10 plus 25, it will give us 35. When we have 10 plus 40, it will give us 50. Then when we have 40 plus 40 plus 40, it will give us 120. Thank you for watching my video. Once again, if you've not subscribed to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification button also, so as to be aware anytime I drop a new video. I'll be dropping a new video very soon. Kindly hit the subscription button. Kindly hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.